back for another video. So today we are going to be putting an accent wall in our entryway. We moved all this stuff. I'm going to be cleaning the baseboards. And yeah, so this is what we look like right now. My hubby is drawing out stuff for the front yard and also for the entryway. We're waiting for assistance. We've been here for like 30 minutes and we have not received help yet. So yeah, we were told to either get number one prime wash because it's easier for you to paint. But I don't see any number one prime wash. I only see number 2. So I'll keep you guys updated. So these are the boards, the ones that I was saying, like that have the prime finishing. So all right, guys, so something that they don't tell you when you're watching YouTube videos, when you're doing the accent walls, is it can get very expensive. You would need a nail gun. You're going to need something to paint, either brushes or you can buy your paint sprayer. You are going to need a saw. So there's a lot of things that go into this. Thank God my husband, he got a lot of the stuff given to him. You're going to need a ladder. You have to cut angles. So in total, if we didn't have all these items, we probably would have spent about $500, but we only spent $3. So the tool my hubby is using is the Wagner paint sprayer and stainer. This will run you about $169 inside of Home Depot. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.